Such good bagels. They don't have anywhere to sit in there or like to toast it or to put anything on, but like they're so good that you don't need it. Look at all that flour. Holy crap. Literally mounds. What, where are we? Where are we at right now?
St. Joseph's Oratory.
It's massive. It's super sunny out here, but I wore my glasses, so I can't really, unless I wear them both, which I'm doing. I don't even know what I look like. It's not a bad view, but it's quite foggy and muggy out today. It's quite humid. It rained for a bit this morning, like absolutely poured, but it feels like 27 or 31 or something it said on the weather app. It's probably too windy to even hear me right now, but it's definitely a hot one out today. Pineapple chicken with rice and veggies and some crab. He's super happy. He doesn't look like it, but he's super happy. He got his spa. With this one because they were also known for their hot dogs, and Matt is going for this one: smoked meat, bacon, spicy sausage, and pepperoni. Oh, we got the hot dogs with their famous hot dog, the cheese curds, gravy, scene, and we have the shootout with smoked meat. What else is in there?
Bacon and pepperoni.
Bacon and pepperoni.
Sausage, I think.
And potentially sausage.
Maybe.
It is huge. Alright, so after eating at La Banquise, did I say that right?
Yeah.
Something like that. The poutine place. Very busy. We waited outside for only like 15 minutes. Like, it wasn't too bad. The line moved quite quickly. But honestly, like, the variety of poutine was great, but poutines were average. Like, the fries were average. The meat was good. Like, the hot dogs, I had the hot dog one, and the hot dogs on it were good. But
too much hype.
Yeah, definitely too much hype. Honestly, I wouldn't go again. I think I've had better poutine from Chartier and Beaumont. So that would probably be my go-to place for right now. I haven't eaten a ton of poutines, but just my personal opinion. You doing okay? Alright. Look at this. This is actually the weirdest bathroom I've ever been in. That's just toilet paper. This bathroom though, look at this. This is crazy. Like, what? What? Alright, so we just finished eating at L'Avenue. Amazing. Amazing breakfast place. We got there, what, 10 to 10?
Somewhere around there.
And no wait, sat right away. When we left at like just after 11 though, there was like a long line. It was a Tuesday morning, so definitely try to get there a little earlier. It opens at 8 a.m. Amazing prices for the amount of food you get, as well as how good it was. French potatoes were amazing. French toast was amazing. The sausage was amazing. Everything was. They give you tons of fruit. Yeah, definitely definitely be prepared. There goes my phone. Definitely be prepared to be stuffed. It was great. Okay, after dropping my phone twice, I'm gonna hold it. Any comments on the food?
For the people that like matcha tea, their matcha tea latte is pretty kick-ass. Everything else was amazing too.
Yeah.
Best restaurant I've been to in Montreal.
10 out of 10 would recommend. Thank you, Sylvia, for recommending it. So we missed our train by a minute or two. We went to the wrong station. Went to some maintenance VIA rail one, and yeah, by the time we figured it out and got an Uber back to basically the same area we were staying, closer to our hostel, we missed it. So spent like $40 there and back for Ubers, and then spent another $67 together for exchanging their tickets to miss our train. So now we have to wait 2 hours. We're gonna depart at 6:50, 10 to 7 instead of 10 to 5. But now I can go get my Starbucks mug from Montreal, and we can have something to eat before we get on the train. Trying to look at the bright side here. It's kind of hard though.
That's fine. She's being dramatic.
Kind of sucks. Because then we're gonna get to this hostel in Ottawa, which is a jail. It's a 19th century jail, and we're gonna get there and it's gonna be like pitch black. It's gonna be lovely.
All the more jailing.
We finally made it on the train.
Emergency is a matter of perspective. Remember that.
We finally made it on the train. We're off to Ottawa. We decided to sit in emergency exit row, so we had a little demonstration kind of thing about the windows, and yeah, we missed this one. So hopefully we'll get there and there'll still be a little bit of daylight.
Mesdames et messieurs, bonsoir. Ici Audrey, votre directrice de service ce soir. Au nom de Air Canada et tous les membres de l'équipe de bord, nous vous souhaitons la bienvenue à bord du 39 à destination.
We finally made it to Ottawa. So hello from Ottawa. We're staying in a jail hostel.
Fucking right.
It's quite creepy. There's a death row in there. There was the last hanging in Canada in that one. We're currently out to go find this guy some stuff for his tattoo he got. It's a little dark, but it's
Promise it looks better when it's wiped off.
yeah, it's the what's it called again?
The fleur de lis.
Literally with the Montreal symbol in it. We can cross, let's just cross. But yeah, we're gonna go get some polysworn or something from the something that's open, and then we're gonna just go to a bar because I'm getting very stressed with sleeping in this jail with the death row on the floor below us.